Black magic. How to play. The object of this game is to trick a group of people who don't know how to play. Two people already need to know how to play. We'll call them the leaders. The leaders gather the group together in a circle and tell them that they can read each other's minds. One of the leaders then leaves the circle and goes out of earshot so they cannot hear what the group is saying. The rest of the group decides on any object they can all see. Once it is agreed upon, the leader who left returns to the group. The leader who knows what the object is starts pointing to objects around them, asking, is it this thing? Is it that thing? For example, is it this desk? Is it that poster? Is it this black pen? The other leader answers with no until the correct object is presented. Then they say yes. The trick is this. After the leader who knows what it is says a few things, they will then point to a black colored object that is not the chosen object. This is the indicator that tells the other leader that the next object chosen will be the correct object. Hence the name Black Magic.